A few weeks back, we discussed the law of war in USA that empowers the president of the USA to launch a war for 60 days without Congress's approval. I also maintained that Trump is going to be in a hurry to finish the war so that the law of war does not come into effect. Well, interestingly, a couple of days back, a resolution was passed in Congress to review the powers vested into the president according to the law of war. Now, interesting still, that resolution, the approval of that resolution included votes of four Republicans. And interestingly, one of the Democrat senator did not vote for it. Now, this is going to be debated. This issue is going to be debated, and whatever the Congress decides, it is going to go to the House of Representatives. And if the same thing goes from there, a new law will be enacted. There are also some information, some rumors maybe, that on the 27th of May, China, being the Security Council's UN Security Council's president right now, is going to call uh, a meeting on to discuss the Iranian issue and Strait of Hormuz and etc. etc. So it would not be a better deal for Trump if UN gets involved, because once UN gets involved, there are a lot of countries which are going to be stakeholders in the peace process, in the deal process, whatever you want to call it. And of course, when it comes to UN, the pressure of adhering to the deal is more than when it is a bilateral deal. So I'm assuming, keeping in mind what is happening around and the buzz about reaching a deal, a final draft being discussed, and the nitty-gritties being discussed, I think Trump is going to try to get this deal before, firstly, this resolution gets law form and goes to House of Reps. Secondly, before this meeting happens, that is why you could see a lot of frenzy around the talks and deal finalization and etc etc etc. Although since last night it is being said that Field Marshal is not going to Iran, that could be for two reasons. One, he's not needed and everything is done without him being present. Secondly, they have just stopped caring. Let's see what happens.